Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S8 and let me show you how to record hyperlapse video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to find hyperlapse. Here we are. Now we can start recording this type of video by simply using the shutter button at the center. We can also change speed of our hyperlapse by going to right corner. When we pick here, we can pick speed from auto, so for now the device should give us the best possible settings to our hyperlapse, or we can pick between spectrum from 4 to 8, 16 and 32. So you can stay on whatever you need. Now let me pick auto because I don't really have well conditions here to record the hyperlapse, but I want to show you the example of it. So let me start recording. And this is my object. I'm going to move it slowly now, because the hyperlapse should speed up the original video. Now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button. To see the video, let's move to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how the hyperlapse video with speed auto looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.